How to easily buy one single product on Alibaba. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can buy only one product on Alibaba. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to buy only one product on Alibaba, there are some process you need to follow. First of all, you may just download the Alibaba application onto your device if you are on phone, or you may just go to alibaba.com as well in either of your devices, either your phone and your laptop. After that, you may just log in into your account, and you'll be able to see an interface where you'll be able to find a bunch of products that you may want to purchase. So here you can see, as I have logged in, as you log in, you can see all of the products on your screen. So what you're going to do is select one of the products, or you may just browse one of the products. Here I'm just going to browse one of the products called earbuds. After that, I'm just going to look up for a product that is only one piece. So what happens is Alibaba provides you on products on like a pack, like 50 pieces and 200 pieces, since Alibaba is a place from where people purchase products in order to ship them for business purposes. So basically, you're just gonna look for a product that is only one piece, like minimum order is one piece. You can see the first product is only one piece, so we're gonna select that earbud. After that, you can see we can order at least one piece. After that, tap on start order. Just go tap on start order at the bottom. After that, you just need to add a shipping address and go on with the payment method and tap on submit. After that, that product should be delivered to you, and you can easily purchase that one earbud or any one single product from your Alibaba. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to purchase at least one single product easily on alibaba.com or Alibaba app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.